Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take players fruit without Robux and grow a garden game on Roblox Farmers Market update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined the game and the Farmers Market update has been dropped in Grow a Garden. And in this update guys, they add new item. You can click on the trade menu and you will see tokens, and basically the token is like shekels. You can buy something with this token and you can take the player's fruit as well with this token. You just need to go to the other player's garden and take the fruit like this, and as you can see, we can use the tokens to take players fruit. So now you don't need to spend your Robux anymore. But I should say that it's pretty hard guys to get the tokens, so I think it's just like the Robux but in another form. But yeah, I don't know what they mean to add this feature, but now you don't need to spend your Robux anymore. Okay guys, and that's how you can take players fruit without Robux and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.